Ferrari has a new performance flagship, and it's called the 2026 Ferrari F80. This extreme hypercar replaces the legendary LaFerrari. But instead of a naturally aspirated V12, the F80 embraces a cutting-edge twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. It's a radical shift, yet one rooted deeply in Ferrari's Formula One expertise and relentless pursuit of speed. Designed as a spiritual successor to icons like the 288 GTO, F40 and LaFerrari, the F80 is engineered to redefine Ferrari performance. Beneath its aggressive, futuristic bodywork lies a hybrid system producing a staggering 1184 horsepower. According to Ferrari, this power allows the F80 to rocket from a standstill to supercar speeds with jaw-dropping urgency, placing it among the fastest road cars ever conceived. At the heart of the F80 is a mid-mounted, twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors. 2 of those motors drive the front wheels, giving the F80 advanced all-wheel drive capability, while the third supports the rear. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, optimized for lightning-fast shifts and seamless power delivery. Ferrari claims the F80 can reach 62 miles per hour in as little as 2.2 seconds and hit 124 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds. While independent testing hasn't been completed yet, expectations suggest it could reach 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Active aerodynamics and sophisticated traction systems help harness that immense power effectively. The chassis technology is equally impressive. The F80 features an active suspension system using 4 48-volt electric motors to control damper stiffness independently at each corner. This setup allows the car to remain razor-sharp on the racetrack while staying remarkably compliant on public roads. Ferrari engineers describe it as surprisingly approachable, despite its extreme performance envelope. Inside, the F80 continues its uncompromising focus on the driver. Ferrari even calls it a 1+ rather than a 2-seater. The cockpit is stripped of distractions, featuring a compact, flat-sided steering wheel and minimal screens. The driver's seat is finished in bright red, while the fixed passenger seat is subdued, emphasizing the car's driver-first philosophy. Traditional infotainment is absent. Instead, a digital gauge cluster controlled by steering wheel buttons serves as the main interface. A small secondary display on the center console manages climate controls. Don't expect modern luxuries like voice assistants or in-car gaming. The F80 is about driving, not digital entertainment. Despite its hardcore focus, Ferrari hasn't ignored safety. The F80 includes automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high-beam headlights. These features add a layer of reassurance without diluting the car's raw performance character. Fuel economy figures haven't been officially released, and the EPA is unlikely to test it. Estimates suggest around 14 miles per gallon combined, a reasonable figure considering the immense power on tap. Production will be limited to just 799 units worldwide, each expected to be heavily customized by its owner. With a price exceeding $3 million, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't merely a car. It's a statement of Ferrari's future, blending hybrid technology, racing heritage, and breathtaking performance into one of the most exclusive and extreme road cars ever built.